Here's the tutorial nobody asked for.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
I like to start off placing my wig in my head so I know that the wig is in the center, and then I go in with my spray of choice. Today I'm using the even spray. This one lasts the longest in my opinion. This is my first time trying the sport one, and it is pretty decent. I feel like it has just about the same amount of hold, but whatever. After you let it dry for about 20 to 30 seconds, when it's tacky, you want to start placing your wig down. If you want it to go by faster, you can use a blow dryer on the cool settings. I'm not used to making these long videos. Do you guys want to hear full talking tutorials, or would you guys prefer to just have the demonstration tutorials and I talk about something completely different? Let me know in the comment section, because when we be posting content on TikTok and Instagram, we got to make sure it's as quick as possible. But on YouTube, I'm sitting here trying to make it long, and I don't know what to talk about. I really can't believe that they're banning TikTok. Like, they didn't have anything better to do with their day. But I really want to thank you guys for following me and getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of you guys that have been following my journey on YouTube this whole year. I am going to start posting more long form content. I just haven't decided what niches I want to jump into. I do like posting shorts still, but we got to get to the long form bag. What type of content do you guys want to see? I could post more hair tutorials. I could do mom content, spend the days with me vlogs. I don't know yet. Or we could just do everything, and then you guys could just see what you like. I might just do everything and see what you guys like, honestly. You can find all these products at your local beauty supply store, and if you don't have a local beauty supply store, I would check out Amazon. If you guys want, I can link most of these products in my Amazon storefront, so it's easier for you guys to find. The link will be in my YouTube bio. Okay, we're just gonna let the background music vibe out. If you haven't already subscribed to me, subscribe to me, and I'll be dropping more tutorials.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Never get me wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn. Damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like I just keep it there. Am I really that much?